Hi, my name is Lata here. So I'm a practicing coach and consultant. I have been an NLP practitioner now for some time, and I came into this New Code NLP program, obviously, with a lot of curiosity to know what is this new code all about, and how does it helpful and effective in any transformation work. And I must say that right from the time I contacted Abhay until now, when he has delivered the program for us, it's been a wonderful experience at various levels. One, in terms of the subject and content itself, I think there are some wonderful new insights that have come in. Secondly, the methodology that Abhay has adopted, and Abhay comes across as a very keen, very committed, passionate teacher and teacher of NLP. I think he's passionate at both levels, and that kind of comes through in the very meticulous, nature of how he, helps us understand, and also, with his patience and with the amount of time he gives to each important, subject in the and topic of the curriculum. Thirdly, as he also, I found Abhay also extremely humble, extremely grounded, and extremely passionate about change work. And and he comes across as this very wonderful, nice, compassionate human being, and that kind of shows up in the work that he does, and the way he deals with people while doing change work. So all in all, it's been a great opportunity to meet Abhay and to do the New Code and NLP through him. It's been a wonderful last few days this week, and I'm sure these lessons are going to be very useful in my work, both personally and in my work as a coach. Thank you so much, Abhay. Thank you.